Misty, and I'm so excited that you have purchased the Christmas STEM cards. Your students are going to have so much fun. I want to walk you through it real fast and show you how I would print these. So, these are great for students. You can use it as a whole class or allow them choices and do STEM challenges. It will be so fun. They have the actual title, the STEM challenge number, and then the challenge itself. And then underneath, I list out the supplies. You can tell students that they could grab more supplies if you want, if that's how your classroom you like to allow students to have a say in what materials that they like to grab. And there's some reflection questions provided for each of the STEM challenges. But also, you're going to grab the teacher page that has even more resources. You've got each of the challenges with how they connect to STEM, some of the questions from the cards, some extra, and then I listed out the supplies so you could really see that like as a teacher quickly at a glance. Now, back to the STEM challenges here. Once you open up the PDF version, you can print them from here. When I go to print these, I like to print them two to a page. Mine's under more settings, and I do two to a page. So they're about half size sheets. If you want them smaller, you can even do four per page. If you go to my template link, you can customize anything. If you don't like the colors or the font, or you want to change questions, you have that capability. But also the size, they're going to be 5 by 7, which I think is great for students. Now, attached to your page, and I have a printable link, you have the STEM challenge kind of parable page for students that walks them through the different components that you want kids to do when they're doing a STEM activity. You want them to brainstorm before they start. You want them to kind of sketch out their design and then think about which materials they actually want to use and build it out and test it and jot notes and run some trials to see how it goes, list improvements or modifications, and then if you have time, they add those improvements and modifications, and then they can reflect on their learning. So this kind of helps scaffold that process for you and your students. I can't wait to see what your students are going to create. You've got the Engineering a Gingerbread House. This is my own kid's favorite. Your Snowball Catapult, Origami Snowflakes, the Santa Sleigh Design Challenge, the Snowman Balance Challenge. They like this one too. Candy Cane Bridge, the Origami Polar Bear Face. I think that's adorable personally. And then the Igloo STEM Challenge, which kids, I mean, all of these are great. They're going to have a blast. And thank you for giving kids the opportunity to not just learn, but get their hands in their learning. Keep doing amazing things, teachers.